I'm Katrina. This is So and Tare. We're talking chickens today. My girls are always eager to greet me, especially if I have something fun to eat, and they can be very talkative. However, they sleep in sometimes. I know everybody says, hey, the chickens are, welcoming the day and all that. If it's foggy, they won't get up until it's like light enough for them to venture out. It's pretty funny. And they are also good to, hi. Hi. You need attention? Hi, ladies. So they are also really, really funny when it comes to nighttime. I have a modified step stool for them for their little ramp to go in instead of a ramp because of limited space, and it works just fine for them. But something about chickens is they actually go to bed way before the sun goes down. They're like, the sun's thinking about going down. I think I'll go to bed. So I have here recorded, this is from a couple days ago, I recorded them all going to bed in real time. So you can kind of see the interactions that they have. I only have 3 chickens. You can see the interactions I have with them. Hi, lady. And the interactions they have with each other is pretty funny. So background, I was sitting on their modified stool. So I was sitting on it. I had the rabbits hutches open, spending time with the rabbits, and they basically were going, come on, get off of our way in. We need to go to bed. And they're pecking at my Rexy. Oh, she's over there. Rexy was pecking at my leg, going, come on, get off. It's time for us to go to bed. And it's so funny because she's the last one to bed, and she's the one that was bothering me about it. And anyway, so she was doing that. And it's just really funny to watch them at night. Smilo goes in first, then Overraptor, and then Rexy. And almost every night, that is what happens. They always sleep in the same order. Every once in a while, it'll change up, but they always sleep in the same order. Overraptor always has to squish Smilo up against the wall, and then she'll let her breathe room. Overraptor's top dog, Smilo's the lower one, Rexy's in the middle. So, hi, Rexy. Hi. So it's pretty funny to watch them, and I just wanted to share that with you, and you can see them go to bed. I was sitting on their little bench there, and they were like, hey, it's bedtime. It's time to go to bed. Get off our step. Go ahead, sweetie. Smilo's the first one in. Rexy, she's not up yet. You gonna push her up? Smilo, go to bed. You're in the line. Uh-oh, there really is a line. There she goes. And those are the wings hitting the top that you can hear. It's just a 1/4 inch hardware cloth on the top. And there's Overraptor, the fluffy butt. Now you're gonna go up ahead of Rexy, huh? Yeah, Rexy knows not to mess with her. Overraptor's top dog. Hi, baby. Coming back out? Think this might take a while? Yeah? Okay. Okay. What? You need another scratchy? No? Okay. There goes Overaptor. That was a nice clean landing, Overaptor. But they have to talk about things for a while. Rexy, you staying out of things? Huh? Probably smart. Overaptor's a little bit of a bully at bedtime, huh? Hi, babe. What do you need? What do you need? Huh? What's going on? Hi, babe. What? You need scratchies? I can give you scratchies. What do you need? Come here. Huh? Okay. So they did dump all of their food out again, which means I need to make that feeder. It also means they have several weeks of food underneath there. Yeah? You gonna jump up? Hmm? Yeah, good girl. And Rexy can actually fly from the perch I'm sitting on straight into that little hole. She's pretty talented that way. So she has to wait until Overaptor is like absolutely ready to go to bed. Everybody's moved over into their appropriate places so that she can take her proper place. It's the same order every night. Which is kind of funny because it's not the order that they're in charge. Smilo goes first, and Smilo's lowest on totem pole. Then Overaptor, she's highest, and then Rexy, which she's in the middle of the totem pole. You going night-night? You gotta wait for the other girls to calm down, huh? There we go. That was nice and graceful, too. That's how they sleep. You're squishing her way over there, Overaptor. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Smilo, that you're so squished over there. Yeah. Alright, good night. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now you kind of know a little bit about their personalities. Hi, sweetie. Hi. And so thank you for watching. Please hit the like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will have more videos about all the animals and all the fruits and all the vegetables and all the canning and preserving and all that. So thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.